As an aspiring data analyst, your journey begins with mastering the fundamentals of statistics and mathematics. Understanding concepts like mean, median, and standard deviation is crucial. Next, dive into data manipulation tools like Excel and SQL. These will be your best friends for querying databases and analyzing datasets. Once you're comfortable with data handling, it's time to explore programming languages like Python or R. They offer powerful libraries for data analysis and visualization. Speaking of visualization, tools like Tableau or Power BI will help you present your findings effectively. Don't forget to sharpen your analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. Real-world projects, internships, or even Kaggle competitions can provide invaluable experience. Networking with professionals in the field can also open doors and provide insights into industry trends. Finally, stay curious and keep learning. The data landscape is always evolving, and so should you. Embrace the journey, and you'll find your place in this exciting field.